So, hi friends, hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you all my Rubik cubes collection. र आज म तपाईहरुलाई मेरो Rubik cubes collection को बारेमा म बताउन गइरहेको छु र केही देखाउन गइरहेको छु र किनकि मसँग धेरै Rubik cubes छ। नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु यो Rubik cube कसरी बनाउने, यसको मेथड के हुन्छ, विस्तृत रूपमा डिटेल्स रूपमा तपाईलाई म बताउन चाहन्छु म नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा। र आज चाहिँ म तपाईलाई यो Rubik cubes को कलेक्सनको बारेमा म देखाउन गइरहेको छु किनकि मसँग धेरै Rubik cubes छ। सो स्टार्ट गरौँ। दिस इज द स्पिनर Rubik cubes. It's very nice, it's very fast and very smooth. It's very interesting also. So you can purchase this one, you can buy this one and you can try. It's very nice, very smooth. This is spinner 1x3x3. This is spinner. It's very interesting. So next video I will teach you how to solve the spinner Rubik cubes. So okay, this is the spinner. Next video I will teach you how to solve this one. र मसँग अर्को छ I have another one is a 3x3 Rubik cubes. This is the 3x3 Rubik cubes. It's very smooth, it's very fast and very interesting, very nice also. This one is very easy to solve. It's 50 seconds or 1 minute you can solve this one 3x3 Rubik cubes. So first you have to solve the first layer, the second layer and then third layer. So this one is first you have to make the flush first. It's first layer you have to make the flush. After that you need to adjust the corner and like that. Next video I will teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik cubes. It's so easy. First if you don't know, it's very hard for you because we don't know the method. And then after this when we learn, when we know already, and then it's so easy to solve this one. Okay, next video I will teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik cubes. म अर्को भिडियोमा हजुरहरुलाई यो 3x3 Rubik cubes कसरी सल्भ गर्ने सो इजी सजिलोसँग तपाईले सल्भ गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। यो एकदम सजिलो छ। नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु यो 3x3 Rubik cubes को बारेमा है। ओके, अर्को रहेको छ मसँग इज 3x3. I have another one is 3x3. Okay, sorry, it's 2x2. It's 2x2 Rubik cubes. Also very nice, very smooth and very fast. It's very interesting also. You can solve that so easy. This one have a so easy method. Next video I'll teach you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik cubes. This is the 2x2 Rubik cubes. Okay, next video I'll teach you. You have to this one is a method. You have to solve the first layer and then second layer. First layer and second layer is also very easy. Next video I will teach you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik cube. Okay, अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु यो 2x2 Rubik cube कसरी सल्भ गर्ने. It's so easy method I will teach you. So okay, next video I will teach you this one also. It's 2x2. It's very nice, very smooth, very fast. Because मसँग अर्को पनि छ. I have another one also. Is a 2x2. It's very nice. It's very smooth also. It's smooth and very fast. This is also 2x2. Okay, next video I will teach you. अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु यो कसरी सल्भ गर्ने भनेर। र अर्को रहेको छ मसँग इज 4x4. This is the 4x4. Also very smooth and very fast. This one is you have to make the center first. All center you have to make first. We need to do the हामीले चाहिँ सबैभन्दा पहिला यो सेन्टर बनाउनु पर्छ यो 4x4 को। त्यसपछि हामीले यो एच पिसहरु बनाउनु पर्छ, सबै एच पिस बनाउनु पर्छ यसको सबै एच पिस। एन्ड देन हामीले त्यति बनाइसकेपछि हामीले यो फर्स्ट लेयर कम्प्लिट गर्नुपर्छ। यसको लागि फर्स्ट लेयर कम्प्लिट गर्ने, त्यसपछि हामीले फेरि अगेन हामीले यो सेकेन्ड लेयरको एच पिस गर्ने अनि टर्न फर्काउने, त्यसपछि हामीले माथि यहाँ प्लस बनाएर यो कम्प्लिट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। यो सजिलो छ, धेरै गाह्रो छैन। 4x4 पनि एकदम इजी छ। नेक्स्ट भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु। नेक्स्ट भिडियो I will teach you how to solve the 4x4 Rubik cubes. Okay, so easy, very smooth and very fast this one. म अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु है यो भिडियो। I will teach you next video how to solve the 4x4. Okay, this is the 4x4 and then another one मसँग अर्को छ it's a 5x5. This is the 5x5. Also very smooth. Next video I will teach you how to solve the 5x5 also. It's very easy method. You can easy to solve this one. तपाईले सजिलोसँग सल्भ गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ यो 5x5 also. It's not hard, it's so easy also. Okay, नेक्स्ट भिडियो I'll teach you अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईहरुलाई सिकाउने छु यो 5x5 रुबिक क्यूब्स कसरी सल्भ गर्ने भनेर यसको पनि मेथड त्यही हुन्छ this also is the same method you have to make the same like is 4x4 you have to make the center first all center after this you need to adjust the SPs this SPs all SPs after that you have to complete the first layer this one after make the SPs you need to complete the first layer make the plus and then after make the complete the first layer you need to make the adjust the all second layer SPs everything second layer and then turn back and the same like process same you need to adjust the make the plus we need to make the plus after this adjust the corner and everything the same process next video I'll teach you अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु यो कसरी सल्भ गर्ने 5x5 रुबिक क्यूब भनेर this also very easy and very smooth एकदम सजिलो छ एकदम स्मूथ छ यसमा एकदम फास्ट छ ओके अर्को भिडियोमा म हजुरहरुलाई सिकाउने छु यो कसरी सल्भ गर्ने यो 5x5 भनेर right next video I'll teach you how to solve the 5x5 okay so अर्को छ मसँग is mirror cube this is the mirror cube it's also very smooth and very fast very easy and very interesting म अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु यो mirror cube कसरी सल्भ गर्ने भनेर this is the 3x3 mirror cube also very nice very interesting तपाईले किन्न सक्नुहुनेछ तपाईले यो पनि ट्राई गर्नु होला एकदम सजिलो छ यो पनि एकदम यसको प्रोसेस एकदम इजी छ this is the mirror cube mirror magic cube it's very easy and very nice very smooth okay next video I'll teach you how to solve the mirror cube okay this is the mirror cube so अर्को छ मसँग is a axis cube this is the axis cube also very smooth very fast and very easy तपाईले सजिलोसँग सल्भ गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यो एक्सिस क्यूब किनकि यो यस्तो छ यो तपाईले स्क्रैम्बल गर्दाखेरि एकदम डरलाग्दो हुनेछ यो किनकि एकदम गाह्रो जस्तो लाग्छ यो स्क्रैम्बल गर्नु एकचोटी ओके आई स्क्रैम्बल अल यस्तो हुनेछ यसको एकदम काँडा जस्तो एकदम गाह्रो जस्तो हुनेछ यो ओके स्क्रैम्बल गर्न पनि कति गाह्रो छ ओके दिस I do the scramble all so like that when we scramble this one this will become like that it's very easy like very difficult right but this one very easy to solve you can easy to solve this one it's very interesting it's very nice after scramble become like that looks very difficult right but very easy this is very easy next video I will teach you how to solve the axis cube okay because I have a so easy method तपाईलाई म एकदम सजिलोसँग यसको कसरी सल्भ गर्ने एक्सिस क्यूब यति गाह्रो क्यूब चाहिँ एकदम देख्दाखेरि धेरै गाह्रो जस्तो छ तपाईले ट्राई गर्नु होला केही पनि मिल्दैन तर यसको जब तपाईले मेथड सिक्नुहुनेछ यसको सूत्र सिक्नुहुनेछ तपाईलाई एकदम सजिलो लाग्छ यसको प्रोसेस तपाईलाई अर्को भिडियोमा म डिटेल्स रूपमा विस्तृत रूपमा म तपाईलाई बताउने छु so okay this also same is you have to make the plus like that second layer first layer same process but different cha म अर्को भिडियोमा सिकाउँछु next video I will teach you how to solve the axis cube okay this one so अर्को छ मसँग is mastermorphyix and the one this one is a mastermorphyix is very nice very smooth also हेर्नुस् यो माउस जस्तो छ एकदम सजिलो छ कलर इन्ट्रेस्टिङ छ यो mastermorphyix हो म यसलाई पनि I will scramble this one also so when we scramble it's become like that जब हामीले स्क्रैम्बल गर्छौं यो यस्तो बन्ने छ एकदम गाह्रो जस्तो बन्छ तर यसको मेथड एकदम सजिलो छ तपाईले इजीसँग you can easy to solve this one also very easy method next video I will teach you अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु how to solve the mastermorphyix cube okay next videoमा म तपाईलाई यो mastermorphyix cube कसरी सल्भ गर्ने भनेर म सिकाउने छु this one also is very easy it's 1 minute or 50 seconds you can solve the mastermorphyix okay यस्तो हुनेछ यसको मेथड okay next video I'll teach you how to solve the mastermorphyix also very smooth and very fast Next video I will teach you this one how to solve the mastermorphyix. अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु कसरी सल्भ गर्ने mastermorphyix कसरी सल्भ गर्ने यसको मेथड कसरी हुन्छ कस्तो हुन्छ डिटेल्समा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु है सो अर्को छ मसँग इज अ mirror 2x2 this one is a mirror 2x2 it's a magic cube this one also very easy this is the mirror 2x2 it's very smooth and very fast okay next video I'll teach you how to solve the mirror 2x2 okay this is very nice very smooth very fast and very interesting also so अर्को छ मसँग is a pyraminx this one is a pyraminx this one also very nice very interesting very fast right very fast and very smooth next video I'll teach you how to solve the pyraminx 3x3 this is the pyraminx 3x3 this one also very easy next video I'll teach you how to solve the pyraminx cube this one also because I have a so easy method next video I'll teach you this is the pyraminx very smooth and very fast very nice also so अर्को so another one I have is a pyraminx 2x2 this is the pyraminx 2x2 also very smooth and very fast easy to you can easy to solve the this one also is a pyraminx 2x2 so next video I'll teach you how to solve the pyraminx 2x2 also it's very easy method okay it's a 50-second you can solve this 2x2 pyraminx 2x2 it's very cute right looks very cute very nice also okay this is the pyraminx 2x2 so another one is a megaminx this is the megaminx it's very nice also but looks very difficult but this one easy to solve you can easy to solve तपाईले देख्दाखेरि धेरै गाह्रो जस्तो लाग्छ तपाईले यो सजिलोसँग सल्भ गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ सजिलो छ यसको यो पनि तपाईले यसको मेथड यही हुनेछ हामीले फर्स्ट इयर कम्प्लिट गर्नुपर्छ त्यसपछि हामीले सेकेन्ड इयर कम्प्लिट गर्नुपर्छ यसको सेकेन्ड you need to complete the first layer second layer and third layer it's same process but different method next video I will teach you how to solve the megaminx cube okay and the one I have another one is a skewb cube this is the skewb cube it's a very smooth and very fast so next video I will teach you अर्को भिडियोमा म तपाईलाई सिकाउने छु easy I have because I have a easy method तपाईलाई अर्को भिडियोमा म सजिलोसँग कसरी सल्भ गर्ने यो skewb cube भनेर तपाईलाई म सिकाउने छु so it's very smooth and very fast very easy you can purchase this one also very interesting also right looks very nice also so next video I will teach you how to solve the skewb cube okay and then another one I have also is a magic cube this is magic cube it's a magic like a magic SS cube this one also it's very nice very smooth very fast next video I will teach you how to solve this one looks very difficult right but very easy to solve you can easy to solve this one also very nice very interesting so next video I will teach you how to solve this cube and मसँग अर्को छ is a cute 3x3 this is the 3x3 but so small and so cute that's why I purchased this one it's very nice very fast and very smooth also right very nice right very interesting so next video तपाईहरुलाई म सिकाउने छु यो all Rubik cubes चाहिँ कसरी सल्भ गर्ने like a 2x2 3x3 4x4 5x5 skewb megaminx and then is another one is like a pyraminx cube pyraminx 2x2 all how to solve mastermorphyix cube how to solve this one next video I will teach you because this one is if you learn this one जब तपाईले सिक्नु हुनेछ तपाईलाई सजिलो हुनेछ यो right if you learn this one how to solve this cube also you can solve easy to solve धेरै सजिलोसँग तपाईले सिक्नु सल्भ गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ यो एकदम सजिलो यसको मेथडहरु फर्स्टमा तपाईलाई चलाउन गाह्रो लाग्छ तर जब तपाईले सिक्नु भयो यो कसरी सल्भ गर्ने यसको मेथड के हुन्छ कति पटक घुमाउनु पर्ने राइट कति पटक how many times right left turn also next video I will teach you how to solve all cubes this one also 2x2 also is like 5x5 5 by 5 also, because this one also very easy but looks very difficult. If you don't know anything you don't know this, but if you learn and then you can easy to solve all the Rubiks. So okay guys, okay guys, okay, bye bye. Thank you so much watching my video. See you next video. Bye.